Two wanted individuals turned up to vote at the recently held national election, and they were arrested and taken into custody by the police. These individuals were wanted for various offenses, including murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Nabbed TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Nabbed TV. Let's talk. So two individuals that were wanted by the police were nabbed recently after they turned out in order to vote and were identified by certain individuals or drew the attention of the police. We're not sure what really led to the arrest, but the police said that they were wanted for various offenses committed in the country. Now, this is really shocking because there is no way on earth I would be wanted and I would turn out to vote just in order to be arrested by the police. So these individuals were said to have been wanted for various offenses, including murder, and they turned out and the police were on hand in order to capture them. So the police are reporting that two wanted men were captured in the general election that was recently held, and they came out to cast their ballots. So the police said that one of the men who was wanted by the St. Andrew Central Police in relation to the April 2019 murder was nabbed when he turned up to vote at the Augustown polling station. Another one as well has been attached to St. Mary, and it is said that meanwhile cops attached to the St. Mary police station used their proactive and investigative unit. Another man was also nabbed, and he was wanted for two murders committed in St. Anne's and also St. Mary. So the two individuals are in custody right now, and the police are carrying out a massive investigation in order to ascertain what these individuals might have been involved with. Otherwise, their identities are so far being withheld pending more investigations by the police. But there is no way on earth I would have turned up to an election, not really for if I committed a crime or anything, but just the fact that even in this global pandemic of the coronavirus, I don't believe I would have turned out in order to vote if I was in that country, based on the fact that what we see going on in the country with the spiraling rate of the COVID-19 and just the pandemic that has been bearing down, especially on Jamaica, which have seen a number of individuals being tested positive for the COVID virus and a number of workers as well. So this is very sad to see how this played out, and even the hosting of a general election as well during this global pandemic was a cause for concern right now. For me, especially when I look on what is going on and with the spiraling rate and how the individuals are acting and the social distance not maintaining, they're not wearing masks, and there's so many underlying factors when you look. So right now, after this general election, I'm looking for a significant spike in the number of positive cases based on the fact that these individuals, they were not following the protocol outlined by the government, and that is why I believe that this election should not have been held in this specific time. But what can I say? It has already been held and damage is already done. So we're just bearing right now to hear the Minister of Health himself going to give us the real revelation of what took place in a few weeks to come. But what transpired in this election, it could have been thought out more properly, and it could have been planned and managed, but this was just like a hasty election just to get it over with, even though that the country was faced with the pandemic, which has bear down significantly on the countries right across the world and in Jamaica in particular, and the government did not really care about the people. I have to say that they did not care about the people, based on the fact that they host a general election in a pandemic such as this. We did not see social distance being maintained in the vehicles transporting these individuals. We did not see social distance being maintained while the celebration was in progress, and this is very sad to see how this played out. But what can I say? I'm only a single individual, so if they want to go out there and mess up their life and put themselves at risk, I can't stop them. But this was just very sad to see how the whole entire election played out, And so sad that the general election was held in such a time such as this, in this pandemic of the COVID-19. But just give me your take on the whole entire situation with these two individuals that were nabbed by the police. If you were wanted, would you turn out to vote just in order to support your person that you believe you want to be victorious in the national election? Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about that, because I know I would not turn out no matter what if I was wanted. I look forward to hear your response in the comment section. This has been Links TV Let's Talk, and I'm out for this one. This was a short and spicy one. All right, peace out, bless.